In this video, you will learn how to use Amazon Flex app for delivery. First, download and set up the Amazon Flex app. Download the Amazon Flex app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, log in with your Amazon Flex credentials or create a new account if you do not have one already. Accept a delivery block. Open the app and browse available delivery blocks. Set a block, such as a specific time frame for deliveries that fits your schedule, then accept it. Get your pickup location and package details. After accepting a block, the app will show you the pickup location, an Amazon warehouse or delivery station, and the number of packages you will be delivering. Follow the map provided in the app to reach the location. Pick up your packages. Arrive at the pickup location. Check in using the app and load your packages into your vehicle. Follow the route for delivery. The app will give you a route with simple instructions to deliver each package to. Follow the prompts to ensure you're heading to the correct address. Complete the delivery. When you reach the delivery location, follow the app's instructions to deliver the package. Depending on the delivery type, you may need to take a photo or even get a signature. Once the package is delivered, confirm the delivery in your app. Finish the block and get paid. After completing all deliveries, mark the block as completed on the app. Your earnings will be processed and paid per Amazon's schedule. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.